Thank you for watching Hack the File. I'm Michael Lopez, and on today's episode, we're going to do some command line kung fu. Enjoy. All right, we're back. We're back. I love it. We're going to be doing some more command line kung fu. I don't know if you guys know about this book, but I just made it a playlist, so you can go to the playlist on my channel, and there should be a command line kung fu playlist now, and it's got the previous videos I made on this, and a sampler of the book. But let's go through it. So here it is, Command Line Kung Fu by Jason Cannon. So what I like to do is I like to go through the book and just pick something that I want to practice. Like we want to practice in the command line kung fu, something practical right now that I'm at. You guys might find something more practical in your line of work. You might be a Linux admin. You might even know all this command line kung fu. But I'm going to pick up where we last left off, and that's the pseudo exclamation point, pseudo C or whatever. And so then what we'll do is we'll read through this and see what we like and what we don't like, right? And basically what I like and what I don't like and what I think I might use. So I use the pseudo exclamation a lot. I use it every day. So, or when I'm working on Linux stuff. All right, repeat the last command that started with the given string. Now, I just press up. I don't really care about all that, right? But I guess you can do a search real quick. Here's a practical example. Nah, we're not doing that. Let's see. Reuse the second word, first argument from the previous command. Nah, I'm not going to do that. I'll never use the second word. I don't care. Reuse the last word, the last argument from the previous command. Reuse the ninth word, the ninth word from the previous command. Nope. Reference a word of the current command and reuse it. Let me see. Reference a word. Nah. Save a copy of your command line session. Sure. Why not? Let's practice this. So like if I've got a command line session and I'm like, that was a really good session I had. I would like to get a copy of that for next time, and then put it in some instructions. That might be fine. All right, let's see if we can do that. If you want a script, so if you want to document what you see on your screen, use the script command. The script command captures everything that is printed on your terminal and saves it to a file. You can provide script a file name as an argument, or let it create the default file name transcript. Script started, file is type script, and local bin sudo upgrade db.sh. So these are just commands he's using, I guess. Sudo passwords for Jason, starting database upgrade. So basically so you type script and then you could run some stuff. Let's try this. Database upgrade complete. Exit. Script done. File is TypeScript. Cat TypeScript. Alright, let's try that. So you just type script first. Oh, I gotta start my machine, man. Let's start my machine up real quick and then let's type. That's actually cool. I like that. Some kung fu right there. Woo We'll do the command line kung fu. Alright, let me see. Boom, boom. Start this up on some Bruce Lee kung fu stuff. Command line kung fu. Huh? So like on the command line kung fu, like I said, I don't go through this book like normal. I go through exactly how I'm going through now, and I try to find something, and then one thing, that's it. It's a quick video, maybe two, and we're gonna practice that one thing or two, and then we're gonna use it later on you're gonna see me use it later on in videos like I used the other one. And then little by little it becomes part of my kung fu, and then that's how kung fu works anyways, right? In the real world, when you're studying a martial arts and kung fu, you take one thing, you practice it for a while, incorporate it, make it muscle memory, right? Or mind muscle memory, I like to say. And then you go on to the next one once you master it, right? So that's what we're gonna do. And I think I have practical use for this one because I do this all the time. When I'm setting up certain commands for hacking or whatever, I usually make an instruction. Instead, I could just make a script. Boom, throw it in there. Say, look, here's a script and instructions. Right? I can make it even better. So we're gonna open up a terminal here because it's gonna pop out a script, but hopefully it pops it out here, right? Let's go to, and like I said on my channel, you know I don't usually, I would say 80% of the time, I don't rehearse any of this. Okay, this is all troubleshooting and real-time troubleshooting and figuring things out, right? So first we're going to say script, and this guy is so this is just, I guess, a database upgrade. Script started. Output log file is TypeScript. Now let's see what this guy's doing. CD user local bin. Let me see, upgrade db.sh. That's not, how's that gonna work? Oh, grade db. Yeah, that would be. Just trying to open that file or something. Let's keep that file. Nah, we're not going to do that. So what we're going to do is we're going to say we're going to start our own little script, TypeScript. And let's just say exit, see what happens. Script done. I mean, it's not going to do anything. I just want to see if it I just want to see if what it did. Oh man, come on, man. Come on, man. TYP. Oh, that's cool. It literally did take a TypeScript of everything I just did from the beginning since I typed script, and then it just kept a record of all my the commands I ran. That is freaking awesome. I like that. I didn't know you could do that. Can I rename this? Oh hell. Let me rename this. Let's just call it exploit. Oh, I can't spell. Yeah. Oh, heck no. It has to be TypeScript, huh? Why is that opening in that? Oh, that's just opening like that. Let's see. Oh, cat exploit. Yeah, that worked. You can change the name and everything. All right, I like that. Let's do another one. Let's do script. Oh man, God. Oh man, yeah. Clear. What's going on? Press the tab like. Okay, so it starts the script. You're supposed to press arrow when you want to complete something, not tab. That's tab is for Windows, I think, and arrow is for Linux. Okay, let's just say, who am I? Kelly. Let's say, where am I? You're on the desktop. And then let's say, let's look what we got there. And that's it. And then when we want to exit, we exit. Now let's open that. It did. It copied what we did. That is freaking cool. I like that. That's some kung fu. That's some command line kung fu stuff right there. I like that. That's command line kung fu right there. So you guys practice that. You just type in script, and you can do any script, and it just from the start to the exit. Remember, when you want to exit, you press exit. So script, do whatever you're gonna do. You don't have to copy this guy. He's upgrading the database or something. We don't care about that. Just make your own little script. Let's say you're like, oh, I need to remember all these commands I'm doing. Script it. When you're done, press exit. It'll keep a record of that. You can have a bunch of different scripts. That's awesome. I like that. That is actually practical for me. I'm going to use that. Watch. So next videos I make, you're going to see me using the script function, command line kung fu style. All right. That's probably it. Want to do one more? Let's just do one more. Let's just do one more. But you do too many, you're gonna forget. You know, must master one technique at a time. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, let's just call that a day. Let's call it a day. I'm gonna use the script one. You guys use it. You know, this command line kung fu little series is just gonna teach you one move at a time. Wah! One move at a time, and that's it. And then you practice that one move. Now you're gonna see me use that in the videos for about a month or so, and then I'm gonna come once I actually use it and I'm using it, I'll come back and we'll learn another technique. But like I said too, that this is a small book, so I don't want this is like gold for me. I don't want to really go through this book so fast. We're already a quarter through this book. We only learned 2 techniques because we're skipping all the other stuff. But so this is one you got to cherish. You know what I mean? This is command line kung fu. So all right, you guys practice that script. I'm gonna practice that script, and I'll see you next time on Hack the File. Hope you enjoyed.